Hello there, it's your girl StaceNthePlace, and in this video we will be talking about Pink Obsessed. So this one has notes of blushing jasmine, cashmere praline, and vanilla bourbon, and it smells absolutely delicious. Now this is, I know, okay, I said I would give you the vibe before we let the comparisons be the thief of joy. So this one, it's a very nice, like, just, it's so sweet. It just makes you feel like, I don't know, when you spray it on, like, you feel like you're just an edible dessert. Like, it just does something to you, which is why I put on my little Selena dress, because I love wearing this dress if we're going to a fancy restaurant or something, just, you know, to dress up, show a little back, you know, live my best little rich girl life. Not really rich girl, but like, we all can play pretend. So anyhow, this wonderful, beautiful mist is a spot on dupe for Valentino, born in Roma. Absolute, like, period, period. There is no discussion. There is no debate. Like, it is what it is. As our girl, Philly Girl 31 says. And I love this one. So this is the original. I think that this will pair very well with the original. You can also pair it with the intense version, which is a little bit deeper. I would say it's not as sweet, but it's a little bit more romantic. Like, I like wearing this one during the day, and then I'll put on the intense at night. Also the Valentino Born in Roma Pink PP, that one as well, you could also pair this. It's gonna bring out all the vibes. It's gonna be an amazing one. If you enjoy the Donna Born in Roma lineup, like, go ahead and purchase this one. Dare I say, pick up two, because it's just that good. It's just that good. I was like, it's amazing. I mean, can you imagine you spray your pulse points with this one, and then, you know, you do, like, other people say it, just like spray yourself, I don't know, maybe about 20, 30 times, you know, all over, just to get the scent all over. Oh man, it's gonna be amazing. I love this. I'm so glad that I got a backup of this one, because it's just that good, y'all. It's just that good. I swear. You know, normally I don't really be pushing you to pick up something, but I'm just saying, if you enjoy Valentino Donna Born in Roma, this one, you could pick it up without even smelling it. Easy buy, for sure. And so with that, I hope that it was helpful. If you were at all interested, if you want to smell decadent, like a beautiful, bright, sweet, luxurious, and dare I say, delicious treat, Pink Obsessed, for sure. Hands down. And so please take a hot second to subscribe down below so you can catch the next review of the next everyday luxury mist that should be coming out hopefully soon. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will check you in the next video. Bye.